Every time I come, I take something back with me that I have to implement right away. It never gets old. It's always exciting.
We talk about how the market's changing, what is lead generating, the newest ideas that are available, and you don't learn about those until you come to the conferences.
When you come to these conferences, you see the guys that are doing it and you see their businesses growing and you see that it does work.
Those who show up go up. So if you show up to these trainings and you're here, even if you get one amazing tip, then it's worth your time being here.
It's absolutely, for us, very mandatory that we come and plug in, because every time we come out of one of the summits or meetings, we implement and our business just grows exponentially.
If you do what the typical traditional real estate agents do, you're going to get what the traditional real estate agents get, which is not much. The people, the out-of-the-box thinking, the creativity, the association.
You get to be encouraged. It's an extreme shot in the arm to your business every time.
Step-by-step instruction that you just can't beat. You can't find anywhere else.
Craig and I really want you to arrive at your heart's desired destination sooner versus later. You being at the meetings will dramatically increase the pace of achievement of all you want to achieve.
So get to CraigProctorCoaching.com and register to attend this exclusive online event. Show up to go up, and until then, go serve big.